Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So right now I am on the S&P daily time frame chart, and today I'll be discussing about S&P 500. Since the war started, it's already over a month, and the price of S&P 500, the main index, is dumping towards the downside. So well, if you notice, in the past few days it is pumping towards the upside. The main reason is that it is getting manipulated because the president of United States, and I mean, see, here's the thing. Many people think that America will lose this war, and or they are thinking that it seems like it is losing the war according to the news as of now, as I am recording this video, as you can see, on 6th of April. But no, it's not the true. I mean, America can easily win the war, but it's right now just manipulation of the market, and the president of US is just right now incessantly posting on social media that how he's threatening Iran, and how, I mean, they have to open up the Strait of Hormuz, or else it will be very very bad for Iran and overall whole war. And well, to be quite honest, this is just for the sake of manipulation, because so that the market can recover, the people can buy S&P 500, they can invest in the US dollars, and then the smart people, or I would say the top 1%, can again dump this market. And this is happening for the past couple of weeks. Same is happening on poly market also. And well, I mean, it's just so obvious that every single time that only the top 1% of people who are insiders and related very close to the president of US will benefit from poly market predictions and all this S&P 500, whereas the retailers will every single day end up losing. So it is better to not take any trade or not take any financial decisions according to the news, but apply your own critical thinking.